There are some places that have it all. Perfect spots to live, work, visit, and to play. Join me as we explore one interesting and inspiring community here on Communities of Distinction.
Thank you, Terry Bradshaw, for the intro. If you all enjoy, be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you are new to the channel. With that being said, let's get into this video. Welcome to St. Bernard, Ohio. Founded in 1851 as part of the Miami and Erie Canal, the town eventually becomes incorporated as a town in 1878. This small town with a population of just 4,336 citizens is home to 3 churches, one of which is in the center of town, St. Clement Catholic Church. St. Clement Catholic Church was the main reason for the founding of St. Bernard, as the parish attracted Catholic settlers quickly to St. Bernard. Throughout the town, you can see that all the churches, schools, and the cemetery have Catholic-inspired architecture from the many crosses riddled throughout the town. St. Bernard is one of those very quiet places that you don't get to see very often when talking about places around the Cincinnati area. There are 2 schools in the town, accompanied by various small businesses and restaurants throughout the main road that leads to the highway. The neighborhoods that lie on the sides of St. Bernard are small but relatively nice for being so close to the Cincinnati area. When I walked around, you could tell how quiet everything is, with the highway noise being far away enough to not be bothered by the constant traffic. Everything is within walking distance from the city hall to the schools and neighborhoods. I only assumed the community was very friendly, as I talked with many folks who lived in the area. They spoke and talked about their little town, as to think it was a blessing to have what they did, and they appreciated the local businesses and churches around the town. When folks do think of St. Bernard, they also think of the various manufacturing plants on the outskirts of town, from big names like P&G and their Consumer Village, as well as St. Bernard Soap Co., located on Mill Creek. There is also J.M. Smuckers, along with many other local manufacturers in the area. The parks are very nice, but compact and small, not leaving a whole lot of room for expansion, but did have a local skate park that I don't normally see in other towns and villages. While I walked the streets, I did see a community swimming pool under construction and a new place for the police station, as the old building awaits reuse or demolition. So St. Bernard is investing back into the community to always make improvements.